Samsung tags, but no better than this joker in a playing card. Alright, rubbish, 1 year or less than a year, and the batteries are sort of indicating low. So let's try and open this up very quickly with a praying tool. At the edge, going in. There we go. Flip the battery out, and surprisingly, just before we do that, surprisingly, who the hell is this Henley Max? Wow! The battery uses CR2032, which is a very common battery. Flick, open battery, get shot of that. We're going to put a GP Ultra battery in, and this video has not been sponsored by GP Ultra. So there we go. Let's check the voltage on that battery. Before putting it on, should be 3.2, 3.3. Alright, let's have a look. 3.29, so it's 3.3. Alright, so quite satisfied with the voltage. Flick it in, clip it back in its place, and we're good to go. Now let's check the battery voltage on this. 2.783. That's the reason why it's throwing up this error. So there you have it, Samsung. Come on, stop being a joker, put some decent batteries in. What is this? So yeah, there you have it guys, take care.